Okay, well hello folks, welcome back to Rocky Creek Homestead and our bathroom remodeling project. We've done a lot of work in here up to date, and mostly the tear out of everything that was pre-existing in here to begin with. And then after that we went ahead and started building out the shower. So the shower is going to be the first thing that we install, and what we've done to date as far as the shower installation is we've built up the interior of the walls. All the woodwork and everything has been leveled and set, and then additionally we had this space in between the end of what was once the bathtub here and the wall that they filled in because the bathtub's only 5 foot long. I decided, hey, rather than waste this space on just have an empty chamber in the wall here, why don't we use it for something useful? So I went ahead and made some shelves in here. So as you can see, I've got one large shelf down the bottom and then several above that. And the idea will be that the toilet sits right here. We'll have a space in here for our plungers and toilet accessories, and then 4 additional shelves up here for storing towels and paper towels and toilet paper and things like that. So eventually this will be covered, and there'll be doors covering this, so that we'll actually have a nice enclosed space with doors to access it to get into the shelves. Now over here I built out the wall on this side, and then now I've covered all these 3 walls around the shower with a cement board, backer board. In this case, it's particularly hardy back board, or hardy board. There's several different varieties. That just happens to be one of them, but that's the one I use. And so that's all been cut and installed and screwed in place. And oh, of course, I forgot to mention that additionally, I installed the shower basin. So that took a bit of leveling, and I also had to put cement underneath it and to get it all set up and sturdy in place, level, so that water flows properly. And behind this wall, I also forgot to mention that I installed all the plumbing. So I put the shower controls at 4 feet, which they used to be down here when there was a bathtub, and also raised up the shower spigot up here a little bit higher, so those people who are a little taller, wouldn't have to stoop underneath to get to take a shower. So that was all done, and then I cut the holes out in the cement board above and below here to accommodate those. And additionally, I created a niche in the wall here, so we wanted to have a place to put our shower shampoos and soaps, etc. And so eventually, when it's finished here, there'll be a shelf in the middle, and so there'll be 2 shelves here. And that'll be a shower niche, and it'll be all covered in tiles. So that just about covers everything I've done so far, with the exception of I've also installed this fiberglass tape on all the seams, and then today I'll be covering that up with cement to enclose all the joints of the places where the boards come together, to seal them up so it'll all be nice and waterproof. So that just about covers everything I've done so far, and the next thing I'm going to be doing now is going out to the garage and cutting a piece of this cement board to go inside of this niche. Now this wall right here in the back of this niche is actually the adjoining wall in the utility room, or the washroom, where the washer and dryer are, and I can't put screws through here, so I'm going to cut out a piece of this cement board to fit exactly in here, and then I'm going to cement it in place. And then I'll finish out the taping around this opening here, like I did all these joints, and then I'll start to seal it up with cement. And then next, after that, will come the tile. So we're going to be taking some time today to arrange the tile to see exactly how we're going to fit it all in here. We've got tile, and that'll be the next step in the process after I finish cementing up all the joints here. So stay tuned. This project is ongoing, and we'll be going into the next phase of it here next. So thank you much, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and thumbs up as well. Thank you very much.